Hey y'all, welcome to my kitchen. Before we get to the video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up on this video. Now this evening we're going to be making some ham and cheddar roll-ups. This is just a quick, easy meal that you can put together after a long day of work or for a lunch one day. But let me tell you what's going to go in this. You're going to have some melted butter. You're going to have some garlic powder, a little bit of parsley. Of course, you're going to have an 8 count of the crescent rolls, and you're going to have some deli ham that you're going to get at your deli, and some cheddar cheese slices. Now, what you're going to do is go ahead and melt your butter, which I've already done. And we're going to go ahead and put in the garlic, salt, and just a little bit of dried parsley flakes. And we're going to go ahead and stir that up. And then what we're going to do next is we're going to go ahead and put our ham and our cheese on our crescent rolls. All right. What you're going to do is I went ahead and cut these in half, and you're going to put on 2 slices per roll. And then you're just going to put on 1 slice of cheese on each one, like so. And like I said, this is just a quick, easy meal you can put together in a matter of a few minutes. All right, you're just going to roll these up like so. And we're going to continue on. And then what you're going to do is you're going to brush over the butter and your seasoning. And you're going to go ahead and preheat your oven to 375 degrees, which I've already done. And you're only going to have these in the oven between 8 to 10 minutes or until these are a golden brown. All right, so let's go ahead and brush on a little bit of our butter and our seasoning over the top. And then you're just going to go ahead and put them on a prepared cookie sheet. I went ahead and put some parchment paper on there so they don't stick, and I sprayed it. And then we're going to put them in the oven. But I'm going to go ahead and finish getting these on our sheet and get them in the oven, and when I come back we'll show you how they look. Okay, y'all, we got the ham and cheddar roll-ups out of the oven. You're going to want to let them sit for about 5 minutes before you actually serve them. You can serve them with your favorite soup or your favorite side. It's just a nice twist on a classic ham and cheese. If you don't like cheddar, you can use Swiss or whatever cheese of your choice. I hope that y'all will try this recipe and let me know how you like it. And also, if you will, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell to get notifications for upcoming videos. I hope that y'all have a wonderful day, and thank y'all so much for watching.